What if I told you someone from the future is already here? Or maybe someone you met yesterday was actually from the past? Sounds crazy, right? But the idea of time travel has fascinated humanity for centuries. We've seen it in movies, read about it in books, and dreamed of going back to fix mistakes, or jumping ahead to see what's coming. But here's the big question. Is time travel really possible, or just science fiction? Believe it or not, some people claim they've already done it. Take the case of Rudolph Fentz, a man who appeared in 1950s New York, wearing clothes from the 1800s. He looked confused, stepped into the street, and was hit by a car. When police searched him, they found coins, papers, and a letter dated 1876. But everything looked brand new. Records later showed that Rudolph Fentz had vanished in 1876 without a trace. So how did he show up 75 years later? Coincidence or a time slip? Then there's Andrew Carlson, a man who suddenly appeared on Wall Street and made $350 million in 2 weeks from perfect stock trades. When investigators questioned him, he calmly said he was from the year 2256 and simply knew which stocks would rise. Soon after, the records of his arrest vanished. And so did he. Whether truth or myth, these stories remind us how deeply we are drawn to the mystery of time itself. But let's step into science. Albert Einstein once said that time and space are connected, a flexible fabric that can stretch and bend. He proved that under extreme conditions, like traveling near the speed of light, time actually slows down. It's called time dilation. And it's not theory anymore. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station age just a little slower than we do on Earth. The difference is microscopic, but it's real. Even GPS satellites must correct for time dilation, or their calculations drift miles off course. So while we may not have a working time machine, nature already plays with time, and we are only beginning to understand how. So, is time travel real? Maybe yes. Maybe not yet. But the signs, stories, and science all point toward one truth. Time isn't as simple as we think. Perhaps it flows. Perhaps it loops. Or maybe every moment, past, present, and future, exists all at once, waiting to be discovered. If this video made your mind bend a little, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more brain-twisting mysteries. Until next time, keep questioning the impossible, because the future might already be here.